Welcome to my Ultimate React Native course. I'm Mosh, and I'm going to be your instructor. In this course, you're going to learn how to build fast and beautiful mobile apps using React Native. I'm assuming in this course you know nothing about React Native and want to learn everything from scratch. I will explain every line of code I write so you learn and understand all the underlying principles. Now, we're not going to work on a dummy to-do app or a calculator. We're going to work on a real, full-fledged app called Done With It. This app is a marketplace for selling the stuff you don't need anymore, anything you're done with. Here's the front screen of our app. We can log in or register. Let's log in with my account. Here you can see all the items that people are selling. For example, we have this guy over here. He's selling his red jacket for $100. Of course, this is all dummy data that I have generated. Now we can tap an item to see more details about it. We can see who the seller is. We can see where the item is located on the map. We can also send a message to the seller, and this will send a push notification to the target mobile device. Now we can pull this down to close it. We can also pull down the list to refresh it, just like the apps you use on a daily basis. We can filter the list and look at the cameras that are for sale. We can add a new listing. First, we select an image. We can add a second image, up to 3 images. Now let's give it a title. My first item. We give it a price, $99. Now let's assign it to a category. So let's put it in the category of furniture. Now, when I post this to the server, you're going to see a progress bar and a beautiful animation at the end. Take a look. There you go, and done. Here are the listings I have posted. You also have my account page, where we can access my listings and the messages I have received. Now we can swipe an item to the left to delete it, just like the apps you use on a daily basis. So if you follow along, by the end of this course, you're going to master React Native and you'll be able to build mobile apps with confidence. So, are you excited to build this app with me? Then let's jump in and get started.